Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. Today I want to show you how dual screen experience in various meeting platforms look like. So I have two extras here with me who help me join the various meetings. So we are at least 3 people. I have a dual screen video endpoint here, which I dial into the various meetings. I use the touch panel to dial into these meetings. And I quickly just wanted to show you how this works, how the experience is and looks like. Let's start with the Microsoft Teams meeting. I use the one button to join. I dial into the meeting via our CVI solution, and we have on the left-hand side Teddy Freddy, on the right-hand side we have Baby Yoda. So both screens are fully used for the meeting experience. If content is being shared, it's like shown on the left-hand side. Let's go to the Zoom meeting. So I have dialing into the Zoom meeting. I admit the participant in the Zoom meeting. And again, I have a dual screen experience. I have on the left-hand side, I have Teddy Freddy, and I have Baby Yoda on the right-hand side of the screen. So again, I have a dual screen experience where participants are spread across both screens. If content is being shared, content will be shared on one screen, participants will move to the other screen then. Let's join the Google Meet meeting. So that will be this one here. We join the Google Meet meeting. We admit the participant, if not already, admitted. There we go. And we can also share content. So we share not only the participants, but also the content is being shared here. Let's join the Webex meeting. So I'm joining the Webex meeting now. I can see my self view for a moment there, and I'm in the Webex meeting. So I have the Teddy Freddy on one side and Baby Yoda on the other side of the screen. So I'm using both screens fully for this experience. If I share content, I can choose like content will go on one screen and the participants will go on the other side of the screen. What I would also like to show is like how sharing to the device works. So let's share content via AirPlay, for example. And then we can see that content is actually being shared via AirPlay in a dual screen fashion. So both screens are being used for the content share. Now I would like to focus on the user experience of the Google Meet meeting itself. So for example, I'm like dialing in, I use the companion mode, content sharing, and these kind of things. First of all, let's have a look at the device itself. When a Cisco Room OS device is standing there, then you may have a join button, which is this green one here, where you can simply press and join a meeting. Or you have various Ad-Hoc buttons, so they can be down here on the touch panel. There'll be a Webex, Microsoft Teams, a Google Meet, or a Zoom button. You can use the Ad-Hoc join button, and then you can enter the meeting code. So in this case, it is, so I entered it, I press join, and I'm in the Google Meet meeting. So if a meeting room has been invited to a meeting, then there is a join button, it can simply be pushed, and then the meeting is starting on the device. It's requesting to join the call, and once I let the device join the call, it will join the call. And we see and we can see our two friends here, Teddy Freddy and Baby Yoda, have already joined. The meeting has been joined via WebRTC. So it's a direct connection from the device via WebRTC to the Google Meet service. Quickly, a few things about the device and the controls I have on the device. So basically what we saw is we have the navigator down here where we can control everything I can also control on the device, but I'll show it on the touchscreen now because it's just a little bit larger and easier to see. So again, I can mute and unmute the device. I can stop the video. We had a look at the share. I can also like pull up and see what else is around there. So when I go to the USB-C, for example, I can see that I can work locally the way I would like to work. I can move the call around if I would like, or I can basically return to the call, or when I pull up here again, I can also return to the call like this. When I swipe in from the right-hand side, we have the possibility to change the camera. For example, I have my presenter tracking available. I can do a group or a frame view. I have my cameras I can choose from. So I can choose not the PTZ camera, but the overview camera, which is showing a little bit our mess here. Showing a little bit my mess here. Back to this one. I can also have a look at the microphone. We have the possibility to use like a neutral sound or noise removal, or it can be optimized for my voice, or it can also do music mode. The microphone can be tested. At the moment we are in a call, so it doesn't make sense, it's not allowed. And I have space here for additional features I can put. So I can basically also add some links to websites, or I can open additional services. Once a device has joined the meeting, you can also additionally join with the companion mode. So let's see, there is this meeting now here shown, the Google Meet demo. I select the meeting and then I can go ahead and either join with the laptop directly. I have my self view here in the main picture, or I can also choose this companion mode here and not only joining the meeting as well, but I can also actually check in with the device. So people in the meeting can see that it is me who is in the same meeting room with the device, with the video device. So now I have joined the meeting with the companion app, and I have some additional options. So for example, I can now see the users who are in the meeting. I also see the users on the device, but in a different way, basically the ones which are shown on the display with video. So here I can see that Teddy Freddy is in the call. I can, as a host, I can mute and unmute him. I can see that there is a device, a video device in the call, and somebody with the companion app is there as well. So I can see the participants in the meeting, and if somebody is making some noise, I can also mute this person. There we go. And then I can control as a host the mute button. They're all muted now. I can also add people. I can search for people. That's all possible. On top here, I can see that I'm checked in to the device, and yeah. I can also chat. So from my companion app, I can say like, this Cisco device is amazing. And then it will also show on the device itself, and it will not only show in the companion app or on the participants who are using a PC. Okay, I can go away there. I can also clap or add other emojis here. And this is something which is not shown on the device, but it is shown on everybody's app. I can also raise my hand the raise hand is also shown on the device, so not only on the app. From the companion app, I can also turn on and off the closed captions. So if somebody is talking in the meeting, then I get the closed captions underneath, which is quite cool. But again, this is only on the companion app. It's not on the device itself. You can turn them off again. Then I have some additional options here, so I can manage the recording and these kind of things, which is not possible on the device itself, but it can be done in the companion app. I can also share my screen. Let's say I would like to share some photos. Screen share then appears on the device as well and on the companion app too. So regarding the sharing from the device, I have the option either to share from the USB-C device connected, so with this one here, but I can also share via AirPlay or via the companion app. I don't necessarily have to only share, I can also view the content which is shared on the USB-C cable, and then I can go ahead and either annotate, or I can basically control my Windows device as well from the device here, but this is then only local. When I want to go back to the call, I can do this, and then I can go ahead and share whatever I have connected on the USB-C cable into the call. So this view is to basically make sure that I only sharing what I would like to share and what I can check previously. But this includes video and audio. So it's not only video, and it's not only via the companion app where it can be shared. That was it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helped, and hope to see you soon in my next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.